Enter your competitor's domain into the Site Explorer. You can see your competitor's organic search traffic, top organic keywords, and paid search traffic. Click on Keywords to see their organic keywords. This information can help you understand which keywords are driving the most traffic to them. Go to the Backlinks tab to explore the backlink profile of your competitor's website. This will show you which websites are linking to them, the anchor text used, and the authority of those linking domain. Navigate to the Top Pages tab. Top pages tell you the pages driving the most traffic to your competitor's website. Set up Rank Tracker for your competitor's domain to monitor their keyword rankings over time. This will allow you to track their progress and identify any new keywords they are targeting. The Paid Search tab in Site Explorer provides insights into their top paid keywords, ad copy, and landing pages.